Stop before you buy a new gas range, because in 2026, there are more options than ever, but most of them are not worth your money. Some ranges look amazing online, but have weak burners, uneven ovens, poor controls, or features you will never actually use. So today, I'm cutting through all the noise. I've narrowed it down to the only 5 gas ranges I would actually recommend in 2026. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen, replacing an old stove, or upgrading to a premium model, this list has something for every type of cook. Let's begin. Number 5. Samsung NX60A6511SS. The Samsung freestanding gas range is one of the best feature-packed gas ranges for homeowners who want modern technology without spending luxury-level money. Samsung's biggest advantage with this model is that it combines a wide range of useful features into one practical appliance. You get a spacious oven, convection cooking, smart controls, and built-in air fry functionality, making it easier to prepare everything from everyday meals to larger family dinners. The powerful burners provide enough flexibility for different cooking styles, whether you are gently simmering sauces, preparing delicate dishes, or quickly boiling large pots of water. The large oven capacity is especially useful for families because it gives you enough space to cook multiple dishes at the same time during holidays, gatherings, or regular weeknight meals. Beyond performance, the modern stainless steel design gives the kitchen a clean and updated appearance that works well with contemporary home styles. However, this range may not be the perfect choice for everyone. Samsung focuses heavily on smart technology and electronic features, which some users may love, while others may prefer a simpler traditional gas range with fewer digital controls. Overall, the Samsung is a great option for anyone looking for strong cooking performance, modern features, and excellent value without moving into the premium price category. It is best suited for people who want maximum features and convenience at a reasonable price. Number 4. LGL-RGL-5825F. The LGL-RGL-5825F is one of the easiest gas ranges to recommend because it delivers an excellent combination of performance, features, and value. This model is designed for homeowners who want a reliable, everyday cooking appliance without paying the high price of a premium range. It comes equipped with powerful burners, a large oven capacity, convection cooking, air fry capability, and smart features that make cooking more convenient. The biggest reason this range stands out is its balance. Instead of focusing on just one feature, LG has created a well-rounded appliance that performs strongly in every area. The powerful front burner provides the high heat needed for tasks like boiling water, searing meat, and preparing restaurant-style dishes, while the convection oven helps distribute heat evenly for better baking and roasting results. The spacious oven is also ideal for families who cook large meals or need extra room for multiple dishes at once. Another advantage is that it offers many premium features without reaching a premium price point. For most homeowners, the LGL-RGL-5825F is a safe and practical choice because it combines modern technology with dependable performance. It is not trying to be the most expensive gas range available. Instead, it focuses on being a reliable, feature-packed appliance that works well for everyday cooking. This makes it one of the best overall value choices for families and homeowners looking for quality and affordability. Number 3. GE Profile PGS930YPFS. The GE Profile PGS930YPFS is one of the best smart gas ranges for homeowners who want modern technology combined with powerful cooking performance. Designed for people who enjoy both convenience and control in the kitchen, this range offers advanced features without losing the traditional strength expected from a high-quality gas appliance. The main highlight is its powerful tri-ring burner, which provides excellent flexibility for different cooking needs. It can deliver intense heat for tasks like boiling water, searing meat, or preparing meals quickly, while also allowing precise flame control for everyday cooking tasks that require more accuracy. This makes it suitable for both experienced cooks and those who simply want better results from their daily meals. The smart features add another level of convenience, allowing users to monitor oven settings, adjust functions, and connect the appliance with compatible smart home systems. These features help make cooking easier and more efficient, especially for busy households. However, what truly separates this model from many other smart ranges is the balance between technology and performance. The smart capabilities are helpful additions, but they do not distract from the appliance's main purpose, delivering reliable cooking results. With its sleek design, strong burner performance, advanced controls, and smart connectivity, the GE Profile PGS930YPFS feels like a serious cooking appliance built for modern kitchens. It is an excellent choice for home cooks who want the benefits of smart technology while still enjoying the power, precision, and reliability of a premium gas range. Number 2, Bosch 800 Series HGI8056UC. The Bosch 800 series is one of the best premium slide-in gas ranges for homeowners who want a perfect balance of elegant design, reliable performance, and high-end kitchen appeal. This model stands out because it is designed not only to cook well, but also to enhance the overall look of a modern kitchen. Bosch is well known for its clean European styling, and this range delivers the premium built-in appearance that many homeowners look for during kitchen renovations. The slide-in design creates a seamless connection with surrounding countertops, giving the kitchen a more customized and sophisticated appearance compared with traditional freestanding ranges. One of its standout features is the continuous cast iron grates, which make it easier to move heavy pots and pans across the cooking surface without lifting them. This thoughtful design detail adds both convenience and a premium feel to everyday cooking. Unlike some appliances that focus heavily on flashy technology and unnecessary features, the Bosch 800 series takes a more refined approach by prioritizing quality, simplicity, and long-lasting performance. Every component feels carefully designed, from the sturdy construction to the smooth controls and polished appearance. It is a range built for homeowners who appreciate craftsmanship and want an appliance that feels elegant and dependable for years to come. While it may not be the most feature-packed option available, its strength lies in its balanced approach, offering excellent cooking capability with a luxury aesthetic. The Bosch 800 series HGI8056UC is an ideal choice for kitchen remodels, upscale homes, and anyone who wants a premium gas range that combines style, function, and timeless design. Number 1. Café CGS750P2MS1. The Café Double Oven range stands at the top as one of the best luxury gas ranges for serious home cooks who want a premium kitchen experience with professional-level style and performance. This range is designed for homeowners who expect more than just basic cooking functionality and want an appliance that becomes a centerpiece of their kitchen. Café combines elegant design with powerful cooking features, creating a range that delivers both visual appeal and everyday practicality. It offers strong burners that provide the heat and control needed for different cooking techniques, from quickly preparing weeknight meals to creating more complex dishes for special occasions. The oven performance is equally impressive, giving home chefs the reliability they need for baking, roasting, and large family meals. One of the biggest advantages of the Café CGS750P2MS1 is its premium finish and sophisticated design, which can instantly elevate the appearance of any modern or luxury kitchen. However, its appeal goes beyond looks. This range is built to deliver consistent performance while providing the flexibility needed for a wide variety of cooking styles. Whether you are preparing a simple dinner after a busy day or hosting a large gathering with multiple dishes, this appliance is designed to handle the challenge. The reason it earns the #1 position is because it offers the complete package: beautiful aesthetics, powerful cooking ability, thoughtful features, and a premium feel that matches high-end kitchen designs. For home chefs and homeowners planning a luxury kitchen upgrade, the Café CGS750P2MS1 is an outstanding choice that combines style, performance, and long-term value. Remember, the best gas range is not always the most expensive model on the market. The right choice depends on your cooking style, kitchen needs, and the features that matter most to you. Whether you want powerful burners, smart technology, a premium design, or reliable everyday performance, choosing a range that fits your lifestyle will always deliver the best value. Take time to compare features, consider how you cook, and select the model that works for your home. Subscribe for more appliance reviews, detailed buying guides, and helpful kitchen upgrade ideas.